We're going to quickly talk about the Fanttik S1 Pro Screwdriver set. This was sent by Fanttik for our review. And first of all, before I even open this thing, check out this extremely solid case. It's a full, it's a full case. The case is not a rechargeable case, but it contains everything. Everything fits in there. And check this out. This here has that little rubber kind of cap. And this is where the screwdriver is. You can see the USB-C. It does come with a USB-C cable as well, so you can charge. And look at that. I just press, and then obviously the screwdriver just comes out. Super, super nice. I love the fact that you've got the torque, 1, 2, 3, and then off. So you can keep it on off, and then you've got 3 different torque levels. And then simply one forward and one backwards button. So obviously forward, and the torque is quite solid, and there's a little light at the end as well, which I really love. I've used this with, building chairs and furniture and all these little projects around the house. It is a great thing to have, whether it's around the house or in the backseat of a car or something like that. Just always, at someone's reach, always ready to work. And this is where, obviously you're not seeing any bits here because this thing does not contain any of the bits. This is where this comes in. And check this out. I just press again, and then this will just pop out. Look at this. And this is a beautiful kind of insert within the case. And you've got all of the bits that you would expect, from the normal Phillips and flatheads all the way to some hex screws and even some Allen key ones. And all of the little screw examples are in the diagram just below each set, and they are magnetized, right? Look at that. So super cool. And when you use one, so I'm just going to choose one at random, and when you put it in, there's no screwing. It is magnetized, so it's not flying anywhere, and it's ready to be used. Let me turn it on, just like that. Super, super simple. I love the design. I love the fact that it's so easy to just keep everything together. Let me turn it around, of course, because this goes around. You always have to have the USB-C shown out, just like that. I'm going to clip it in. So, of course, you could just plug it in here within the case and charge the screwdriver, or you could just charge it on your table, on your nightstand, just like that. Boom. But what I love is that once it's back in and it's charged, and you close that cap, you can keep this anywhere, in a shed, in an attic, in a closet, in a cupboard. Dust, humidity, they won't affect the components. They won't affect the inside because it's sealed. It's got a super nice protective case. Fanttik is doing incredible stuff. We love their products, and this one is no exception. It's amazing.